My name is Laura, and welcome back to my journey to become plastic free. I hope most of you have chosen to join me on my journey because today I'm going to share with you not just how to be plastic free, but also save money while doing laundry. In the US alone, we do over 35 billion loads of laundry each year. We also throw away 1 billion laundry detergent jugs that we only use for a short period of time. Now it's estimated that less than 30% of those jugs actually make it to the recycling center. That other 70% goes to landfills, and from there it'll reach the ocean. So it's very important to pick not just a plastic-free laundry detergent, but an eco-friendly one as we wash harmful chemicals down the drain all the time. So I have done a lot of research and tried a lot of products so you don't have to. And I'm going to share with you my top picks, compare them with your leading brands, hope that you find one that you like, because it's all just a preference. So some of the detergent types that I tried was a powder detergent that comes in a metal tin and its refill is 100% compostable packaging. Then I tried the bar laundry detergent. I got this cool glass mason jar looking thing that's actually a detergent holder. That helps me measure how much of the liquid detergent to put in each load. I also tried the pods like drops for convenience, but then I did some research and learned about the film that holds those pods is actually not as good as we thought. So it's called PVOH, and that PVOH is kind of just a dissolvable plastic. So we're just contributing to the microplastics problem. Some other options that are out there that I didn't actually try were something like Nuts or Blueland's Naked pods. I use them for cleaners, so I'm sure the laundry detergent is great, and you can use something like this glass jar with liquid detergent inside. But that wasn't really cost effective for me, and I wanted to be able to save money and the environment at the same time. So the winner for me for cost and how good it cleans my clothes was honestly the powder. This powder comes in a tin, and you can get the refills with a compostable bag where it's even cheaper. When you compare it to leading brands of liquid detergent and pods, that's about 22 to 36 cents per load. But if you use the powder detergent, it's about 13 to 25 cents per load. Now, I know there's boxed powder detergents at the food store, but most of those boxes are honestly lined with plastic, and they all come with a plastic scoop. So your best bet is to get something like a eco-friendly, all-natural powder detergent from one of the websites that I'll put in the description below that are refills and 100% compostable packaging. So I'd love to hear in the comments below how many loads of laundry you do per week and what laundry detergent you're going to try, because you can save a lot of money. See you next time.